सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। If during the session, if my connection goes bad, please let me know. I will change Wi-Fi connections. Okay. So we were seeing last week the first Abhyasa in Rachananuvada Kaumudi. We saw first Rama Shabda Rupa, all 8 vibhaktis. Then we saw all 3 Purushas of Bhudhatu, Vadigana Bhudhatu, Lat Lakara. And we also saw the basics of the first Abhyasa, page number 2 in the book. We were seeing what all words are counted in the first Abhyasa, first exercise. Today, we will use that theory into practice. So Friday was more of a theoretical session. Today will be more of practice. In the whole book, every session more or less will follow this theme. There are 30 Abhyasas. First, each Abhyasa will have more or less 2 sessions. First session on theory, second on practice. Okay. So first we just see Rama Shabda again, page number 63. I will only read 8 vibhaktis, 3 ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Prathama vibhakti Ramaha Ramau Ramaha, Ramam Ramau Raman, Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhya, Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhya, Ramasya Ramayoho Ramana, Rame Ramayoho Rameshu. He Rama, He Ramo, He Ramaha. So this same theme will be followed by other shabdas. Like, let's say, here what example is given, like Ishvara. Ishvara shabda, Ishvaraha, Ishvarau, Ishvaraha, Ishvaram, Ishvarau, Ishvaran. Ishvarena, Ishvarabhyam, Ishvaraihi, Ishvaraya, Ishvarabhyam, Ishvarebhyaha, Ishvarat, Ishvarabhyam, Ishvarebhyaha, Ishvarasya, Ishvarayoho, Ishvaranam. Ishvare, Ishvarayoho, Ishvareshu. He Ishvara, He Ishvarau, He Ishvaraha. The same way, the other shabdas also will decline as given in the example. Vidyalaya, Grama, etc. So, for example, anybody can answer. Balaka Shabda, Panchami Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. What will it be?
Balaka
Shabda.
Balakat,
correct. Balakat. So, this, if this is in memory, it will serve for a long, long time. And same we saw it, Bhudhatu, page 83 in the book. Bhavati bhavata bhavanti, bhavasi bhavataha bhavata, bhavami bhavamaha bhavamaha. So one more question. Let us say like Bhudhatu we have Has Dhatu, laughing. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam Has Dhatu will be what?
Hasataha.
Correct. Hasataha. Simple. Okay. So today we will do some making the sentences and so on. So page number 3, please see first. First Abhyasa. Udaharan Vakya. In Vyakarana, it is slightly different, of course, as all of you know. It is slightly different than Vedanta, but even while reading, Always good to keep pen and paper next to you, and it will be much more interactive. It will be like a conversation as time goes on. Page number 3. उदाहरण वाक्य वह पढ़ता है, he reads will be सः पठति. वे दो पढ़ते हैं, two of them read, तौ पठतः. वे सब पढ़ते हैं, तौ ते पठन्ति. So प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचन in पठ धातु. पठति पठतः पठन्ति, like भवति भवतः भवन्ति, like हसति हसतः हसन्ति. Those three are used in 3 different contexts. For saha, tau, te. Saha is 1, tau 2, te 3. वहाँ क्या हो रहा है? तत्र किम भवति. What is happening there? बालक वहाँ जाता है. बालकः तत्र गच्छति. वह मनुष्य हंसता है, सः मनुष्य हसति. So now we have the actual practice. Sanskrit बनाओ. The second point of Abhyasa 1, page number 3. There are 2 ways we can do this. Either we can do first person, one person answers, or we can take it in a group, one by one. Are all of you okay with answering?
Sure.
Okay. If anyone has problem, you can not answer. But so each one we will do. So first, Sundar ji, वह पढ़ता है. What is the Sanskrit translation? Sanskrit.
सः पठति.
Correct. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, वह हंसता है.
सः हसति.
रवि जी, बालक पढ़ता है.
बालकः पठति.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, सुंदर जी, राम गांव जाता है.
रामः ग्राम गच्छति.
ग्रामम. So what happens is, ग्रामः शब्द, as we saw, ग्रामः, ग्रामौ, ग्रामाः is prathama vibhakti. But prathama vibhakti is for subject. So when Rama goes, Ramaha. But he is going to the grama, which is object. So dvitiya vibhakti. Grama. Okay. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, बालक विद्यालय जाता है.
बालकः विद्यालयं गच्छति.
करेक्ट. बालकः विद्यालयं गच्छति. रवि जी, राजा जा रहा है.
राजः गच्छतः.
हाँ. नृपः
गच्छति.
गच्छति. Correct. Gachati. Nripaha. Here we have given, see page number 2, second line end. Nripaha Raja. So Nripaha Gachati. That is the translation. Okay. सुंदर जी, वहाँ मनुष्य कहाँ जाता है?
सः मनुष्यः कुत्र गच्छति.
करेक्ट. वंडरफुल. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, वहाँ कौन पढ़ रहा है?
वहाँ कौन पढ़ रहा है? Sorry.
It's okay. Take one by one. वहाँ would be there. तत्र. Correct. वहाँ कौन would be?
तत्र कः.
कहाँ. हाँ.
तत्र कः गच्छति.
हाँ. Here it is given वहाँ कौन पढ़ रहा है. So it would be तत्र कः. Correct. See, so simple, no problem. Vyakarana will come like that because we all have so much experience reading Bhashya, Tika of big texts. It will be very easy for us. Then, Ravi ji, यहाँ क्या हो रहा है?
अत्र किम हो रहा है को क्या बोल देंगे?
फोर्थ नंबर 4 ऑफ उदाहरण वाक्य देखिए. वहाँ क्या हो रहा है, वो क्या ट्रांसलेशन है? भावती. सिंपल. तत्र किम भावती.
Because we say bhava is owner.
हाँ रवि जी क्या? अत्र, करेक्ट. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? अत्र किम भवति. हाँ सुंदर जी.
No, so bhavati we said was hona. So therefore, क्या हो रहा है? So that is the bhavadhatu. Yeah.
भूधातु. Bhudhatu.
Bhudhatu.
So it would be different. This is lat lakara, right? This is present tense. So what happened there would be different. What will happen there would be different. But they will all be bhudhatu only. The words will change. We will see later. No need to see now. But now vartamanakal, present tense, bhavati. What is happening there? हाँ सुंदर जी. वह बालक हंसता है.
सह बालकः हसति.
Simple. So these 10, we have seen 1 to 10, they have ka. Ka is for which in this book? Correct. Sanya Sarvanam Shabda has ka. So here the focus has been on Sanya Sarvanam. Vaha, Saha, Saha, Balakaha, Ramaha, etc. Now we are going to see the Dhatu. Dhatu या क्रिया शब्द है. So सूर्य प्रकाश जी, वे दोनों पढ़ते हैं. हाँ तौ पठति इज एकवचन. फॉर द्विवचन पठसि would be you are reading. द्विवचन is एकवचन, द्विवचन, बहुवचन for प्रथम पुरुष. पाठतः, करेक्ट. सिंपल, वंडरफुल. तौ पठतः, सिंपल. प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचन. वे दोनों पढ़ते हैं. वे दोनों, रवि जी, वे दोनों कहाँ जाते हैं?
तौ कुत्र गच्छतः.
करेक्ट. हाँ नेक्स्ट. दो बालक हंसते हैं.
So it will be तौ बालकौ हसतः.
हसतः. What we can do? हाँ.
No, would it be balakau hasataha or would it be tau balakau hasataha?
Good question. So both are grammatically correct, but when we read Bhashya Tika, we see Bhashyakara, of course, to the point. No extra words are ever used in Bhashya. Anandagiriji also follows that theme. So they will not say tau balakau. They will say balakau hastaha. We have to understand it is true because balakau is dvivachana.
Yeah, correct.
Grammatically, tau balakau. But while actual practical, because we are reading, this group at least, we are reading Vyakarana only for the sake of understanding Vedanta text better. And Vedanta text, Anandagiriji will be to the point. Bhashyakara to the point. So, balakau hasataha. Both are correct. Balakau hasataha. Then, दो मनुष्य गांव जाते हैं. सूर्य प्रकाश.
मनुष्यं ग्रामं गच्छतः.
Wonderful. Correct. Next. दो बालक विद्यालय जाते हैं. दो बालक विद्यालय जाते हैं.
बालकौ विद्यालयः गच्छतः.
विद्यालयम, क्योंकि विद्यालयम इज द्वितीया विभक्ति. In main, okay, we will see this and then we will next. Sundar ji, now we are going to see ga, avyaya या क्रिया विशेषण. वे सब पढ़ते हैं.
ते पठन्ति.
This is enough. Te pathanti is correct. For sub, because te is bahuvachana, it will be sarve if you want to add. But te pathanti itself is correct. Te sarve pathanti अथवा te pathanti. दोनों correct. Okay. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, सब बालक हंसते हैं.
बालकौ हसन्ति.
बालके.
बालके हसन्ति.
वाई बालके.
सब बालक.
हाँ, बहुवचन. प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन. बालके हसन्ति. हाँ सॉरी, बालकः बालकौ बालकाः. बालकाः हसन्ति. सॉरी. बालक इज अकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्द. बालकाः हसन्ति. करेक्ट. रवि जी, सब मनुष्य गांव को जाते हैं.
नहीं समझ में आया, आप ही बता दो।
सबको छोड़ दीजिए, सबको इग्नोर कर सकते हैं। तो मनुष्य 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 बहुवचन, मनुष्य गांव को जाते हैं। मनुष्य बहुवचन, प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन ऑफ मनुष्य शब्द इज
मनुष्यः।
करेक्ट। हाँ, तो मनुष्याः गांव को जाते हैं तो
ग्रामम
फिर
गच्छन्ति।
करेक्ट। सी सो सिंपल। थोड़ा अभ्यास ही चाहिए क्योंकि हमको तो वेदांत पढ़ने का आदत बहुत है। तो मनुष्य गांव को जाते हैं, मनुष्याः ग्रामम गच्छन्ति, वैसे ही शब्द आते हैं भाषी टीका में। तो मनुष्याः ग्रामम गच्छन्ति। वे बालक जहां जाते हैं वहां हंसते हैं। दिस इज डिफिकल्ट सुंदर जी। वे बालक जहां जाते हैं वहां हंसते हैं।
बालकाः यत्र गच्छन्ति तत्र हसन्ति।
सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल, करेक्ट। बालकाः यत्र गच्छन्ति तत्र हसन्ति। Wherever they go, there they laugh. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, सब बालक पढ़ रहे हैं।
बालकाः पठन्ति।
सिंपल हो गया, बालकाः पठन्ति। सो एवरीबडी हैज वंडरफुल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ अकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्द एंड धातु लट लकार, भू धातु भादिगण धातु लट लकार। So here in page number 2, नियम एकम, it says कर्ता के अनुसार क्रिया का वचन और पुरुष होता है। So कर्ता के अनुसार whatever, if बालकाः then क्रिया also will be बालकाः as बहुवचन, क्रिया also will be बहुवचन। गच्छन्ति पुरुष होता है प्रथम पुरुष, if बालकाः those बालकास, हाँ तो गच्छन्ति। तो दोनों एक साथ अनुसार, कर्ता के अनुसार ये दोनों। जैसे सह पठति, कर्ता प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन है, अतः क्रिया भी प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन है। ओके, नाउ पेज नंबर 3, अशुद्ध वाक्य। वी आर सीइंग अशुद्ध वाक्य फर्स्ट। देयर आर
just Akashi, what's a bit confused between niyam 1 and niyam 3? What is the difference between karta and karma?
कर्ता कर्म is this
between kriya and
क्रिया एंड कर्म।
see in niyama 1, niyama 1 we say karta के अनुसार क्रिया होना चाहिए। and niyam 3 we say karta pratham होती है और कर्म में द्वितीय।
yes,
so
here
what is the difference between kriya and karma?
so in niyam ekam they are talking about कर्ता के अनुसार क्रिया। so ग्राम, if ramah is gacchati, right, gacchati would be prathama purusha ekavachanam, so that is the kriya they are talking about, gacchati kriya. Below they are talking about karta, karma would be where he is going, gramam, so dvitiya, right, कर्ता के प्रथमा होती है और कर्म में द्वितीया।
Karma here they are meaning object.
Here in this case, because for example, if he had to go somewhere, that would become the object, or if he is seeing something, that would be the object. If Ramaha Adityam Pashyati, so that would be Dvitiya, na? Adityam Dvitiya Ekavachana. So they are saying karma object. Okay. Okay. So Ashuddha Vakya and Shuddha Vakya on page number 3. We'll see why, because everybody knows why it is, which is Ashuddha and which is Shuddha, because we have enough abhyasa. Ramam Gramaha Gachanti. So they have written Shuddha Vakya as Ramaha Gramam Gacchati. But what is another Shuddha Vakya? If you had to say one more Shuddha Vakya, what would it be?
Ramaha Gramam Gachanti.
Correct. Ramaha Gramam Gachanti. Because Gachanti is Bahuvachana, Ramaha also Bahuvachana. In the same way, Tau Patati, correct is given tau patataha. What would be another Shuddha Vakya?
तौ पठन्ति.
Tau patanti. Tau patanti. Te patanti, okay. But the question here is tau patati. In tau patanti, tau is dvivachana, but patanti is bahuvachana. So that cannot be correct. Te patanti is correct, but here te also is not there, patanti is also not there. Question is tau patataha. Or tau patati, sorry. Tau patati to ek to tau patataha. Second Shuddha Vakya would be
Saha patati.
correct. Saha patati. Why? Patati ekavachana, saha ekavachana. Balako vidyaleha gachanti. Balakau vidyaleha gachanti. Shuddha Vakya ekam balako vidyalayam gacchataha. द्वितीय शुद्ध वाक्य
बालकः विद्यालयं गच्छति, बालकौ विद्यालयं गच्छतः.
हाँ, फिर
और बालकाः विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति.
बस करेक्ट. बालकाः विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. You just have to match whichever purusha, whichever vachana, same vachana. Yatra gachanti tatra hasati. Shuddha Vakya yatra gachanti tatra hasanti. द्वितीय शुद्ध वाक्य
यत्र हसति तत्र यत्र गच्छति तत्र हसति. यत्र गच्छन्ति तत्र हसन्ति.
हाँ, correct. Yatra hasati tatra gacchati may also be correct. If somebody wants to follow laughing, then they will say, okay, yatra hasati tatra gacchati. Yes, yatra gacchati tatra hasati. Yes. Okay. Fourth point. Shuddha karo tata niyam batao. Saha, same as before. Niyam in the sense which purusha, which vachana, etc. Saha pathataha. We will go in order only. We stopped with Surya Prakash ji in sab balak पढ़ रहे हैं. तो रवि जी saha pathataha.
सह पठति.
करेक्ट. और
गौ पठतः.
हाँ, बस इजी. सुंदर जी
सह पठति और ते पठन्ति.
करेक्ट. सूर्य प्रकाश जी
तौ पठति को ठीक करना ना.
हाँ,
तौ पठन्ति.
तौ पठतः. क्यों? करेक्ट. ते पठन्ति तौ पठतः अथवा सः पठति. रवि जी ते पठति.
ते पठन्ति और सह पठति.
करेक्ट. सुंदर जी बालकाः हसन्ति.
बालकाः हसन्ति और बालकः हसति.
करेक्ट. सूर्य प्रकाश जी सः गच्छन्ति.
सः गच्छति.
करेक्ट.
सः गच्छति. ते गच्छन्ति.
बस वंडरफुल. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. रामः ग्रामः गच्छति.
रामः ग्रामं गच्छति. रामौ ग्रामं गच्छतः. रामः ग्रामं एक मिनट गड़बड़ कर दिया.
नहीं ठीक है, सही है. अननेसेसरी थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा बोला लेकिन सही है.
रामः ग्रामं गच्छन्ति.
करेक्ट. रामः ग्रामं गच्छन्ति. यहाँ पे तो रामः इज प्रथमा एकवचन, गच्छन्ति प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन. So dvivachana prayoga is not used anywhere. So now here in this context we don't have to say dvivachana, but what you said was correct. Ramau gramam gacchataha, that is also correct. Okay, next. Te kim patati.
Te kim patanti, saha kim patati.
Correct. Okay. Now we have abhyasa. Sanskrit में क शब्द क के वाक्यों के को द्विवचन और बहुवचन में बदलो. सो क के वाक्यों इज गिवन इन संस्कृत बनाओ, द सेकेंड वन विल टेक फ्रॉम देयर ओनली. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, वहा पढ़ता है, इसको एक द्विवचन और बहुवचन में बदलो. सो द्विवचन ऑफ वहा पढ़ता है, वहा पढ़ता है संस्कृत ट्रांसलेशन इज
सह पठति.
हाँ, द्विवचन में
तौ पठतः.
करेक्ट. बहुवचन
बहुवचन ते पठन्ति.
सिंपल, बहुत बढ़िया, वंडरफुल, करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट रवि जी, ये नेक्स्ट टू शब्द वी कैन, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक. वहा हंसता है, वहा हंसता है द्विवचन.
हसती.
हाँ, द्विवचन.
और तौ हस्तः ते हसन्ति.
करेक्ट. तौ हसतः ते हसन्ति. एंड फिर सुंदर जी, बालक पढ़ता है.
बालकः पठति, बालकौ पठतः, बालकाः पठन्ति.
सिंपल, इजी. सो नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट वन. ख शब्द इज धातु या क्रिया शब्द. ख के वाक्यों को एक वचन और बहुवचन में बदलो. सो ख के वाक्यों, प्रथमा वाक्य इज वे दोनों पढ़ते हैं. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, वे दोनों पढ़ते हैं संस्कृत.
वे दोनों पढ़ते हैं. तौ पठतः.
करेक्ट. तो ये एक वचन में.
सह पठति.
बहुवचन.
ते पठन्ति.
करेक्ट, इजी. देन रवि जी, वे दोनों कहाँ जाते हैं.
तौ पुत्र गच्छतः.
करेक्ट. एक वचन.
सः कुत्र गच्छति.
बहुवचन.
ते कुत्र गच्छन्ति.
करेक्ट, सिंपल. सुंदर जी.
So, बालकौ हसतः, बालकः हसति,
हाँ,
बालकाः हसन्ति.
सिंपल. ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इन फिफ्थ अभ्यास, बॉटम ऑफ पेज. ग भू पट गम हस के लट प्रथम पुरुष के रूप लिखो. लिखा है, लेकिन हम ये वी कैन जस्ट टेल. भू प्रथम पुरुष.
Tell in Sanskrit. What is what tell in Sanskrit?
Vadatu means you tell.
You tell.
वदतु.
Okay.
हाँ, सुंदर जी, वदतु. भू धातु प्रथम पुरुष. किम.
So, भवति, भवतः, भवन्ति.
पठ धातु. सॉरी सूर्य प्रकाश जी, पठ धातु प्रथम पुरुष. करेक्ट. रवि जी, गम धातु.
गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति.
हाँ, so all of you know, so I will only say has. हसति हसतः हसन्ति. हस धातु हसति. ओके. नेक्स्ट विशेषण शब्द. राम, बालक, मनुष्य, नृप, ग्राम के प्रथमा और द्वितीया के रूप लिखो. तो राम प्रथमा रूप वुड बी क्या. सुंदर जी वदतु.
रामः एंड रामम.
हाँ, फुल. दैट इज ओनली एक वचन है ना, द्विवचन बहुवचन है.
Okay, so रामः, रामौ, रामाः, रामम, रामौ, रामान.
करेक्ट. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, बालक प्रथमा और द्वितीया.
बालकः, बालकौ, बालकौ, बालकन्ति. बालकः, बालकौ, बालकः, बालकौ, बालकः.
का बालकाः. करेक्ट. हाँ, फिर
बालकम, बालकौ, बालकान.
करेक्ट. सिंपल. रवि जी, मनुष्य
मनुष्यः मनुष्यः मनुष्यौ मनुष्याः मनुष्यं मनुष्यौ मनुष्यान्.
Correct. So same for Nripa and Grama. Nripaha, Nripau, Nripaha. Nripam, Nripau, Nripan. And Gramaha, Gramau, Gramaha. Gramam, Gramau, Graman. Last. Vakya banao. Pathati. Sundarji vadatu. Pathati. Vakya banao. Make a sentence.
So Sundaraha Patati.
Okay, correct. Saha Patati, Sundara Patati. Surya Prakashi Pathanti.
Te Pathanti.
Simple, bas. Ravi ji.
Ramah Gacchati.
Next.
Ramah Gachanti.
Sundar ji. Gachanti.
Yeah, okay. Gachanti. So it's te gachanti.
Te gachanti. For Sundaraha, Patati you said Sundaraha. Gachanti?
Okay. So I have to say Sundaraha gachanti, but there are not so many of us.
Correct.
I could have said Sundaraha Ravihi Rishikesham Gacchataha.
Correct. But here they have asked for Gachanti. There is no Gachanti in this Vakya.
Correct.
बहुत सारे सुंदर नाम के हो सकते हैं.
सुंदरः रविः सूर्यप्रकाशः च. च शब्द प्रयोग you have to use. सुंदरः च सूर्यप्रकाशः च रविः च और सुंदरः सूर्यप्रकाशः रविः च ऋषिकेशं गच्छन्ति. च शब्द प्रयोग happens between, if there are multiple, between or ant में. Everything together and put only in the end. Then cha you can use. Then क्या है? हसति. सूर्य प्रकाशी हसति. सिंपल बस. फिर कहा. रवि जी कहा. करेक्ट. सिंपल. कहा पठति. नेक्स्ट सुंदर जी किम.
किम गच्छति.
किम गच्छति.
Kim Patati is better.
Kim Patati is better. Kim Gacchati, what going, there is no meaning.
Yeah, what were you reading?
What?
So Kim Patati better.
What were nahi, what do you read? Because this is present tense. Vartamana kal. Lat lakara. So,
क्या पढ़ रहे हैं?
क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? आप या वो क्या पढ़ रहा है? किम पठति. Okay. Then Surya Prakashi atra.
अत्र बालकः पठति.
Very nice. Next. Yatra.
यत्र गच्छन्ति तत्र सन्ति.
Correct. Simple. Next. Tatra.
Tatra. So, tatra there. So, tatra बालकः पठति.
तत्र बालकः पठति. करेक्ट. सूर्य प्रकाशी कुत्र.
कुत्र मीन्स कहाँ. बालकः कुत्र गच्छति.
करेक्ट.
बालकः कुत्र गच्छति.
करेक्ट. But you can also say बालकः कुत्र पठति. Where is he reading? कुत्र पठति. कक्षे पठति. Wherever he is reading, in class, in house, grihe पठति, somewhere. कुत्र पठति. But correct. कुत्र गच्छति also is correct. Wonderful. So we have finished page 3. Next page starts new abhyasa. We will not do today. But you see, it is getting over quickly. One session we had for theory, one session we had for practice. Main thing of Rachana Anuvada Kaumudi that is different from अष्टादश और this अष्टाध्यायी और लघु सिद्धांत कौमुदी, the difference is with Rachananuvada Kaumudi we also learn how to pronounce, because there is actual practice of words. Like for example, 9th chapter Bhagavad Gita, Raja Vidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam Pratyakshaavagamam Dharmyam Susukham Gartumavayam. So we can say Raja Vidya. That is the correct prayoga. Some people may say Raj Vidya, because we are used to reading Hindi like that, Raj Vidya. It is Raja Vidya. Or for example, 6th chapter mein Prashanta Manasam Hyenam Yoginam Sukham Uttamam. Anyone remember second line? Upaiti Shanta Rajasam Brahma Bhutama Kalmasham. But some people, what they say? Brahma Bhutam Kalmasham. Brahma Bhutama Kalmasham. So while reading Rachananuvada Kaumudi Shabdas Vakyas, we see where to split, how to read that word, why Sanskrit is different from Hindi, etc. So this is the added value from this book. Okay. We will meet tomorrow for Abhyasa 2, same time, 5 p.m.
Akarji, just one quick question.
Yes.
We say samsara, right? Not sansara. So when you have a bindi on top of the sa, we pronounce it S-A-M, samsara?
Yes, tradition. Actually, it is that way. Samsara, like samnyasa. Sannyasa is there. Two, both are there, right? Bindi is there, in is also there. But the actual pronunciation is samnyasa, not sannyas. Samnyas is the actual word. But yeah, but not sannyas. Actually, but in prayoga, when we are saying it, we say it like that, which is okay. But if we were to transliterate that word, it would be S-A-M-N-Y-A-S-A, samnyasa.
Yeah, samnyasa.
But it's okay. While saying, it's okay. So when we say it quickly, sometimes the ma becomes na. But Shuddha Vakya is, of course, mostly with. You have to see on a case-by-case basis, but mostly it is with him, like you said.
Hari Om. Okay.
Om.
Next class?
Tomorrow, 5 p.m. IST. We are thinking, yes, we are thinking of having, Swamiji had suggested to have 4 classes per week. So we are thinking Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Is everybody okay with this time? 5 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, not on Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om.